Hi there. Prices of wigs and other beauty products out there are about to increase in the country. Yes, guys, you all out there who spend on wigs, that's the artificial hair, spend on artificial nails, spend on other beauty products out there, you are about to pay more. Reason being, the government is coming for part of the price you're going to be paying for all these. You are all much welcome to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. And by the way, if you're new, kindly remember to subscribe to this channel. Down there is a button called subscribe. Click on it, subscribe, and also while you at it, drop a like on this video. So, I'm really inspiring reason being those who actually purchase beauty products out there. Ladies, gentlemen who do this, just know that you are about to pay an additional price for this. Reason being, the new finance bill of 2023 is also introducing a 5% tax on these beauty products. Talk about wig, eyebrows, artificial nails, you name it. And this, of course, is going to actually translate to consumers out there paying more for these products. You all out there, are you ready to pay additional money for these products out there? Reason being, the government wants to collect an additional revenue in terms of taxes. And of course, in the grand scheme of things, the government wants to collect an additional 363 billion Kenya shillings. That's why it's taxing almost everything, and also we're seeing an increase in taxation rates in the country. Are you ready to pay additional money for your wig? Are you ready to pay additional money, for example, for your eyebrows? Or are you going to scale down on your spending? Share me down below in the comment section. Let's continue discussing there. But the price of these products are bound to increase drastically in the country. Thanks a lot for watching. Look forward to share with you other additional videos next time. Bye bye, and you all take care.